I'm just waiting for Ben to do this, bro. It's just so funny.
Do you this.
I'll never be able to do that song.
Dad.
These little fucking Japanese lines, dude.
Yeah, I wonder how Benji's gonna feel like with that.
First time I heard the Japanese lines, I was like, oh, I'm so fucked.
I wonder how Benji's gonna feel with that, like the Japanese. Cause he heard the whole song, he's like, yeah, I can do that. I want to do that red hair. I'm like, Nifty?
Like, next thing you hear, he's just stuttering for like more than half the word.
But yeah, like I showed him a song. I was like, yo, Benji, you want to do this voiceover? You can pick which one. You can pick what character you want. He's like, alright, can I listen to it? Yeah. Can I be the one with the red hair? Nifty. Yeah. Are you sure? Are you sure? There is Japanese parts. He's like, okay, I can do that. I'm like,
I can do that. Alright. Just wait, bro. He's gonna try it and then he's gonna say, can we switch?
well, no, because I told him that I'll be doing Charlie's parts when I'm gonna send it to him, so he has it, and then like, no, I'm gonna have him. If I can. Do it, you won't. Why? I want to listen to that
What did I say?